In this video, I am not going to teach you what answer to write and how to write the answer in the rest of the answer sheet. But in this video, we'll discuss how to fill that first page before you write the rest of the answer sheet. So this is how your first page is going to be that you'll receive as an examination booklet for writing your answers. This is going to be only for paper 1 and paper 2 because paper 3 and paper 4, like how you know, is going to be an MCQ booklet. To begin with, you will always definitely know your roll number that will be printed in your admit card. You would have to start by writing that here. Please don't start with any religious symbol because writing it will make your paper unvaluable. They will not correct your paper. Your result will be withheld. It will be a 6-digit roll number. I'll take an imaginary number of 250941. Let's say this is your roll number. Write it this way within the boxes. I am writing it in blue to make you understand what is it that I am filling right now. But in the examination, when you fill, please ensure that you carry two important tools. Number one, a black ballpoint pen. Number two, an HB pencil. Whatever text you're writing, always write it in black ballpoint pen. And whatever circling that you'd have to do, motte, within the OMR sheet, do it in a pencil. So after you write this, take your pencil. I'm going to use blue color. In the first row where there is 2, circle this 2 here. And in the second row, because it is 5, you would have to circle this 5 here. I think you can do these zeros better than me. You will do this 0 here and 9 here, 4 here and 1 here. It's been told that you can use a black or blue ballpoint pen. Remember, that is only for writing the text, and for circling, always use HB pencil only. And once you write it, immediately come to this roll number box and write whatever is your roll number in words here. Like 2, 5. Write it all in caps. 2, 5, because your small alphabets might not be clear. 250941. You can write in the next line also. This is how you write. If you want, you can write 2,50,941. What if the space is not sufficient to write it? So preferably write 250941, somewhat like this, in a black ballpoint pen. Please don't write anything here. Don't write anything here. The invigilator, when they come to you in the booklet that they have, they'll have a sticker. They'll place that sticker over here. So you'll not write anything here. Don't forget to put your signature here. Don't include CA in your name. You've not become one yet. You're still a CA foundation student. And this will be the place for your invigilator signature. And this marking that you see, this page will be folded and it will be torn. It will not go to the evaluator. So neither here or here. Don't write any other identification proof of yours. Your mobile number, your email ID, your YouTube channel, your Instagram account, asking them to follow and subscribe for more content. Please don't do any of these things. Like I mentioned, it will become malpractice. Your result will be withheld irrespective of the fact whether you scored 80 or 90 in the paper. Now coming to the left side of the paper, here when they've given this empty box asking examination, please do write foundation. Don't have to write CA foundation. They know it's CA. So I can write foundation. I am doing this exclusively keeping in mind foundation students in mind. So I'm writing it as foundation. And this group, there would be something written here if you are a CA intermediate student, because there are two groups in CA intermediate and in CA final. But at foundation level, this column will be left empty. Paper. If you're writing accounting paper, please write number 1. If you're writing law paper, write number 2. So because law is your second paper. And your subject. Don't expect the name of the subject to be written in your question paper. Question paper will have only a code and nowhere will it be mentioned it is CA examination and nowhere it will be mentioned about the name of the subject. So remember to read the name of the subject and go when you go to the examination hall. So we'll write accounting. Or if it is your law paper, you'll write law. And this place that you see, number of answer booklets used. This booklet, what you're filling all of this now, is called the main booklet. If you take an additional booklet, let's say you take one additional booklet, type here 1. If you take 2 additional booklets, type 2 or basically write 2. What happens if you don't write? Don't worry, even if you have not written, it will still be corrected. They'll give a tag at the end for you to, here do you see a small portion? This is the whole. Whole would be already made. to the additional booklet also, you put the tag within and then tie. If in case you do want, along with your black ballpoint pen and HB pencil, you can also carry a stapler and you can staple here with your additional sheet. And in the additional sheet, nowhere you will write your roll number or your SRO number or mail ID or any of your details. Remember that. And this is good if you write. If you don't write, it's still okay. Don't write anything here. This is only for ICAI's use later. And don't do any kiri kiri piri piri in this barcode here. And once you come to this part here, so this is where you need to put tick mark for the questions that you attempted. See, the first question is a compulsory question. You would have attempted it. It will be true or false in your foundation examination with couple of theory questions. Please put a tick mark there. Let's say you didn't attend second one. Don't put any tick mark. You attempted third one, put tick mark on third one. You attempted fourth one, put tick mark on fourth one. Sir, I didn't write second one. If I put tick mark, will they still correct and give marks? Don't frustrate the evaluator. If you have written the answer, you put tick mark. If you have not written, leave it empty. Should I put into mark? Not needed. Only if you have written the answer, please do put tick mark. Let's say question number 5. You attempted option A, B, C. I'm going to say sub question A, sub question B, sub question C. Should you put tick mark next to A, B, and C? No, you don't have to put tick mark next to A, B, and C. Put only tick mark in this column. This A, B, C, D, E column is for the evaluator to write the marks that you scored in that. And they'll total it and then put it here. So please ensure that you put tick mark only here and you will do nothing in this column. Leave it all empty. Don't touch that. That's for the evaluator. And this place here is for evaluator to put marks. You don't use your red color pen that you carry and then write here 93 so that the evaluator will think paper is already correct and you got 93. No, that will not work. Evaluation will be digital, meaning your entire answer script will be scanned and then sent to the evaluator. The evaluator will see the answer sheet on their screen and then correct it. So that is the reason you've been asked to write in black ballpoint pen, so that when the paper gets scanned, it will not take too much space in the drive of ICAI. So ensure that you carry black ballpoint pen, not a new one which will open in the examination, a slightly used one, because the flow of it will be really nice. Don't carry a gel pen, carry an HB pencil and a stapler to ensure that you can pin this part here. Other than this, you will not write anything else in your answer script anywhere else. Don't touch this total marks part or examiner's signature part. And there is list of instructions given to you people here, which I've all covered when I mentioned in the existing video when I told you what to do, what not to do. If you want, you can read these 10 points also. If you want a specimen of this, it's available for download on the ICAI website. However, I'll share a copy of this entire thing, the PDF, whatever I use right now, in the Telegram channel, the link to which will be there in the description. You can join the Telegram channel and then take a specimen of this. Don't waste too much time on this. Whatever is important, whatever is to be known, I've already covered it. Go ahead into your examination and then do really well. We'll be hoping to see you all on the other side. When I say other side, I mean CA intermediate. See you all then. Till then, stay in the game.